Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin, your premier source for all things cryptocurrency. We've got a story that's going to send shockwaves through the market. Bitcoin has finally broken above $100,000. You may recall that this level was a major psychological barrier that many analysts thought would be impossible to breach. But as we speak, Bitcoin is trading at an astonishing $102,700, up nearly 40% from its lowest point in February and 10% from the start of the year. So what's driving this sudden surge? Well, it all started with President Donald Trump announcing a trade agreement between the US and the UK. The president also expressed optimism about trade talks with China, which could have significant implications for the global economy. And that's exactly what Bitcoin is responding to: a sense of economic growth and stability. The cryptocurrency has been trading in a narrow consolidation period since reclaiming its 200-day moving average last month. But today's strong breakout above $100,000 sets the stage for a potential retest of the record high established at $109,000 in late January. But let's take a closer look at Bitcoin's chart and apply some technical analysis. We're watching two crucial overhead areas, one around $107,000 and another projected target of $120,000 using bars pattern analysis. The first area is likely to attract significant attention near the prominent December and January peaks that marked a double-top pattern on the chart. Now, investors may be forecasting an upside target above the cryptocurrency's record high, but we also need to consider the potential risks. Short-term profit-taking could see the price revisit $100,000, while a more significant retracement could trigger a drop to $92,000, a region that finds confluence of support from the nearby upward sloping 200-day MA and a trend line connecting trading activity since late November last year. So what does this mean for Bitcoin's price? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: we'll be keeping a close eye on this developing story here at Bitcoin Bulletin, your trusted source for all things cryptocurrency.